Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to The Big Sweep, your go-to place for all things quick and clean. Stick around to the end of the video because we have a bonus hack that you don't want to miss. Today, we have an incredible video for all of you cleaning freaks out there. We understand that cleaning an entire house can be a daunting task, especially when you're pressed for time. But don't worry, because we've got you covered. In this video, we'll share some genius time-saving hacks that will help you make your entire house look sparkling clean in just 30 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. So let's get started and make cleaning a breeze. First things first, preparation. Before we dive into the cleaning process, it's essential to set yourself up for success. So the first step is to gather all your cleaning supplies and equipment in one place. Use a bucket or a cleaning caddy to carry your supplies from one room to another, so you don't have to make extra trips for essential supplies. This way, you won't waste any valuable time searching for products or tools that may otherwise be scattered throughout the house. Make sure you have your all-purpose cleaner, microfiber cloths, a broom, a vacuum cleaner, a duster, and any other items you think you might need. Now that you're ready to do battle against dirt, let's move on to our time-saving cleaning hacks. But before we begin, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to The Big Sweep. It's free. Ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on our latest cleaning and household organizing tips. Secondly, the power of prioritization. When you're short on time, it's crucial to prioritize the areas that need the most attention. Instead of attempting to clean your entire house from top to bottom, focus on the high-traffic areas or the places that are most visible. These include your bathroom, your entryway, the living room, and the kitchen. By targeting these areas, you'll make a significant impact on the overall cleanliness of your home in just 30 minutes. If you're finding this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to join the Big Sweep's growing community. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future episodes. Third, speed cleaning techniques. Now, let's get into the specifics of our speed cleaning techniques. We'll break down the cleaning process into individual tasks to keep it simple and maximize efficiency. Remember, speed cleaning is about working smarter, not working harder. Task number 1, decluttering. Start by quickly decluttering the area. Put away any items that are out of place and clear surfaces of unnecessary clutter. This will make the cleaning process much easier and more efficient. Task number 2, dusting. Grab your microfiber cloth and swiftly dust all surfaces in the prioritized areas. Focus on visible areas such as tabletops, shelves, and furniture. Don't forget to dust ceiling fans and blinds if necessary. And don't forget to dust the television too. Task number 3, vacuuming or sweeping. Depending on your flooring type, either vacuum or sweep the floors. Work your way from the back of the room to the entrance, moving quickly and efficiently. Don't worry about perfection. The goal here is to remove visible dirt and debris. Task number 4, wiping surfaces. Take your all-purpose cleaner and a microfiber cloth to wipe down surfaces such as countertops, tables, and appliances. Be sure to tackle any sticky or dirty spots you come across. Task number 5, bathroom blitz. The bathroom is a vital area to clean, so spend a few extra minutes on it. Use an effective, all-natural bathroom cleaner to quickly scrub the sink, toilet, and bathtub or shower. Don't forget to use an all-natural glass cleaner to wipe down the mirror as well. You don't have to spend money on cleaning products that are full of harsh chemicals. You can make your own all-natural cleaning products with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. DIY cleaning products are far less expensive, and they are far kinder to the environment than store-bought cleaning products. Before we continue, be sure to leave us a comment below and let us know which of these quick cleaning hacks is your favorite. Also, please tell us about any of your own quick cleaning hacks. You know we really do love to hear from you. Task number 6, tackling the floors. To give your floors an extra shine, consider using a natural floor cleaner specifically designed for your flooring type. Search the internet for DIY recipes that are right for your floor. Mop or wipe the floors quickly, making sure to reach the corners and edges. This will give your entire space a polished look. If you're finding these cleaning tips valuable, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. In addition to the specific tasks we've discussed, here are some additional time-saving tips to help you clean your house quickly. Tip number 1. Use all-natural multi-purpose cleaners. Choose cleaning products that serve multiple purposes to avoid switching between different products for different tasks. Tip number 2. Delegate tasks. If you have family members or housemates, divide the cleaning tasks among everyone living in the house to speed up the process. Assign age-appropriate tasks to children so they learn responsibility at an early age. Teamwork makes everything easier. Tip number 3. Set a timer. Challenge yourself by setting a timer for each task. This will help you stay focused and avoid spending too much time on a single area. Tip number 4. Develop a routine. Creating a cleaning routine will help you maintain a tidy home and make future cleaning sessions faster. Allocate specific days or times for different tasks to stay organized. Tip number 5. Invest in time-saving tools. Consider investing in time-saving cleaning tools, such as a robotic vacuum cleaner that can also mop the floor, or a spray mop. A cleaning caddy can help keep your cleaning products and tools organized and in one place so you don't have to hunt for things when it's time to clean your home. These tools can significantly reduce your cleaning time and effort. By implementing these time-saving tips, you'll not only clean your entire house in 30 minutes, but also optimize your cleaning routine for the long term. Now it's time for today's bonus hack. For a sparkling clean finish, keep a microfiber cloth and a spray bottle of all-purpose cleaner in high-traffic areas so you can quickly clean up any messes that occur. This way, you can easily give dirty surfaces a wipe down whenever you have a spare minute. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain cleanliness in between your regular cleaning sessions. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to keep your entire house looking sparkling clean in just 30 minutes using these genius time-saving hacks. We hope you found this video helpful and that it saves you valuable time in your busy schedule.